my rattlesnake pole bean sprouted and the first leaves are pale yellow. Could a nitrogen deficiency show this early? It is a problem with about half of the 30-foot row, and this is Michelle. Interesting question. Could a nitrogen deficiency show this early?
It could.
Yeah, it could.
Very likely could. Especially, you know, these pole beans are legume, and if the rhizoctonium or the rhizobium bacteria is present in the soil, you probably won't see that. And probably on half that row, they're probably or possibly, assuming the drainage and everything is the same.
Yeah, right.
You know, there may have been beans there last year, and if she's planted these pole beans in an area where there weren't beans last year, if there was corn there, and there hadn't been beans there or a legume there for a lot of years, then that can happen. We planted a soybean plot at Murray State this year, and half of it was planted where there had not been any beans for years and years and years. It had been corn and grain sorghum. The other side was soybeans. And soybeans are a legume. Yeah. And to this day, the soybeans are taller where we had soybeans last year. And normally we recommend rotating crops. You rotate crops, that's a good thing, and you'll do better. But we did not inoculate those soybeans. And there's a difference. And when they came up, they were just like this. They were little, they were kind of yellow. But you know, you don't usually have to put nitrogen on legumes. You know, normally you don't have to. I mean, they do their own. They get the nitrogen because of the bacteria fixes it. Yeah. But yes, that could very likely be, and it'll grow out of it. Right. You know, it'll take a while. But
yeah, if everything else, you know,
if everything's the same now, if that's lower. Right. If that, with all the rain that we've got a lot of rain, if that's a little bit lower on that end, then it could be. You could have some root rot and some things like that could be creating a problem. And, but
it is normal. Yeah, you do see that, and you can you know, see those pale yellow leaves, you know, pretty early in the age of those rattlesnake pole beans, which are good, by the way. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.